Is it as good as Starbucks matcha? We're gonna find out and see which one's best. It's about what you put in extra in it, okay? You say it'd be tasted too great, it'd be tasted too powdery. You know I don't read no instructions. Just something about it, you gotta have to. Oh my gosh, I don't feel like, I think I did too much almond milk. That was good, that's good, that's good. We're learning. One more for the hobies. Okay. Hey, my name is Alicia. I make videos on lifestyle improvement, life hacks, DIYs, and just trying to find balance in the chaos of life. Life is crazy. So a lot of times we DIY, we do things ourselves. Today's video is going to be matcha. Why I drink matcha, how you can make it at home, DIY it yourself, and is it as good as Starbucks matcha? We're gonna find out. I already have my matcha from Starbucks that I haven't even drank yet because I've been waiting for you. I don't want to ruin my palate and be biased, so I haven't even tried this yet. So this is, I mean, I normally drink it, obviously. This is the Starbucks drink I got from matcha. It's just a regular iced latte matcha. Just an iced matcha latte, and then I'm gonna make mine and then try them all and see which one's best. So why do I drink matcha? I drink matcha because I used to be obsessed with coffee, and then I used to get the jitters and all these reasons of why we all say we're gonna stop drinking coffee. And then when I started introducing caffeine back into my life, because you still need it like once a week, you know, sometimes, I decided that I was going to research other ways of getting caffeine, and I got educated on matcha and what it's all about. And from my understanding, from all my research and what I've learned, is coffee kind of gives you all your energy that's in your body at once, and then it uses it all at once so that there's nothing left, and that's why you crash a lot. Matcha is a little different because it's more of a green tea, and instead of giving you all your energy at once, it helps you last longer throughout the day. So instead of giving you, imagine giving all your money if you got $1 million like once, and you're just like, I spent it all, compared to like matcha's like one at a time, only $1 million at a time, and then you're wiser with your spending, wiser with your energy. Does that make sense? So caffeine gives it to you real fast, and then you lose it real fast. Matcha gives it to you a lot, but not too much to where you kind of last like 6 hours instead of 2 hours. That's my understanding of it. And when I do my matcha, I usually do it with like almond milk, and that's about it. Because usually it's not the coffee or the matcha, it's about what you put in extra in it, okay? Another way I kind of describe matcha is like chocolate milk. With chocolate milk, you can just add water for hot chocolate or add milk for chocolate milk. Same thing with matcha. You can add water for hot matcha, or you can add almond milk for more of a matcha latte. I can't say that word, matcha latte. And we're gonna do both. I'm gonna make matcha hot, I'm gonna make it ice, and then I'm gonna make it blended. I've never made it blended before, so let's do this. So right now, I know it's hot. It's spring, but I don't know why I'm sweating already. So let's get to it. Right now I have my water. My pot is boiling, and I really want to drink my matcha. I really want to drink it, but I'm gonna wait. And so the way I'm gonna make it first is I'm gonna get some almond milk. Ugh. Okay, I have almond milk. I just have original, so it doesn't have vanilla creamer in there. But if you had vanilla, that'd probably be smart. What I've learned from making matcha is the more flavor you can add in other things, whether it be your almond milk or your almond creamer, it adds to the flavor. And the matcha powder I'm using today is from Vital Protein. So let me get that out right now. I don't know if the light likes that, but this is the matcha latte green tea from Vital Protein. You can just get the green tea, but I need all the latte I can get. Okay. Oh my gosh, is this gonna open? I knew that. Okay. Oh my gosh. I need a knife. I need a knife. Ah! My goal is to do this without taking up too much of your time. We're gonna see how that goes. Okay. Okay, so you're wondering what matcha powder looks like. It's just green stuff. Green, it's green to get that caffeine. I really like it. Ooh, the water's boiling, yes. It says to add a scoop, but you know what, it'd be tasted too great. It'd be tasted too powdery. So I'm gonna have a scoop. You know I don't read no instructions. Combine 1 or 2 scoops to 8 ounces of water. Mix thoroughly. Okay, we're only gonna do 1 scoop because I'm not trying to taste a lot of powder. Bam. in the powder. I'm only gonna do a little bit. Like, that's enough. That's all you need. That's all the water you need. Okay, now we're gonna stir it. Ah! Some people have those fancy things from IKEA. I don't have one of those. I heard you could get one for Ross too. We just have a spoon. All right, let us spoon. Okay. We're stirring it so all the powder is gone. It's like you're at Starbucks, but you're not. Look at you. You're a barista. You're a barista. Okay. You could just fill the whole thing with water. But I did that one time. It was no bueno. No bueno. So, I am going to start adding my almond milk first. This is hot, so no ice. So now I'm going to add my almond milk. This is just from the grocery store. It ain't nothing special. About locked. Oh, my arm's shaking. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, about that much. It's getting light green. It's getting light green. Okay. I've added one creamer. But for some reason, when you make it at home, you gotta have two different creamers. There's just something about it, you gotta have two. So I'm using the Starbucks, because right, we're making our own Starbucks drink. Okay, I'm using the Starbucks almond. This one's for my people who don't care about almond milk. I got you. And then this is for people who are about that non-dairy life. This one's really good. I know how to pronounce it. Calfia. This is Calfia. Okay. This one expired, but why do I have it in the fridge though? Why didn't I throw it away? But this one, this is what almond milk. This is a non-dairy almond milk that I like too. But when in doubt, just get two creamers. Whatever it is, two creamers on almond milk. That's all you need. So I'm gonna put this creamer one in. I did almond milk, but now it's just regular creamer because I'm living on the edge. We're living on the edge. Oops, I'm not showing you, huh? I just did a little dabble. Little dabble. That's it. That's it. So just because we're adding two creamers doesn't mean we're adding a lot. What is my hair doing? And then, oh yeah, that's it. It looks like a lot. It's not. Don't judge. And we stir it all together. It's basically half. It's really light skin. I don't know if this one's gonna turn out okay. Okay, I'm gonna drink this first, and then I'm gonna drink the Starbucks one. Oh my gosh, I think I did too much almond milk. Let's see. Let me take this spoon out. Let me just get a little spoon. Oh. Okay. I don't hate it. I could have probably done 2 scoops. Okay. I'm gonna do 2 scoops next time because I was being afraid. That was good. That's good. That's good. Okay, so the hot one. Oh, let me taste the Starbucks. Versus the Starbucks. Let me see. This is obviously a lot darker, but I don't love one over the other. I don't. Okay, now let's do iced real quick. I'm gonna actually do less water and less milk and stuff like that since I'm only doing 1 scoop. Because if I drink all this matcha today, I might run 20 miles. That might not be a bad thing. I don't know. 1 scoop. Bam. Bam. That's all you need. That's all you need. Did you want to see? Stir it, stir it, stir it. You could really just take a shot. You don't gotta be fancy. You could have just took a shot of this. Am I gonna do that though? No. I could have probably warmed up the almond milk. And then it would have been a real hot drink. We're learning. We're learning. Okay. What am I doing? Almond milk. Almond milk. Let's put a little less. Like that. Let's just do that. Let's just do that. The Starbucks creamer. Let's just do that. Let's just only do that. The other creamer. Oh, one more for the hobies. Okay. So this one's not as light. It's more green. It's more green. Okay. And now we're just gonna add some ice. Right? That's what makes it. Don't be looking at my freezer. Can you see from here? I'll try to zoom in. Just add some ice. Oh no, I'm spilling. Oh no, I'm spilling. I done spilled. It's okay. It's okay. Don't look at it. You can clean a second. You can clean it later. Oh my gosh, I can't stop spilling. Stir slowly. Okay, is this a plastic straw? Yes, don't judge me. This was not as fun. It's not as fun. Choking. Compared to the Starbucks, oh my gosh, I'm on my third matcha. Starbucks matcha is better than my iced matcha, but my hot is not as good as this one. Okay, last one. Calling out the blender. It's time to blend. Ugh, we're making a mess. I can't just stare at that. Oh, let's get some ice. Do I have ice ready? No. Okay. Ice, baby. Let's do 4 cubes. Good thing I'm DJing an event tonight. I can use all this energy. Dude, so basically I'm gonna make this like you make a smoothie. So, add some almond milk. So what I've been told is that it doesn't blend well unless it has hot water in it. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a scoop. I don't know what it is because I remember not putting it with hot water and I tried to make it iced matcha with no hot water and it wouldn't blend. It wouldn't blend, the powder wouldn't blend. So I think what I'm gonna do is take this scoop, put it in this glass, then literally add just that much water so that if it's all about blending, then it'll blend. Literally, I'm just gonna do that much. Instead of just putting the powder in there, I kind of mix it with hot water like that. So, putting that in there. Boom, boom, boom. You know what? I feel like that wasn't that much matcha. Why don't we just put a little extra? It don't hurt nobody. It won't hurt nobody. Almond milk, ice, matcha, creamer. Boom, can you see? That's enough. That's enough, Alicia. This one. Almond milk creamer. That's enough. Okay, it's time to blend. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay. Ooh, what if this is the best one though? Okay, it doesn't look the most delicious to you, but it does to me. Like where I'm looking, like where my eyes are looking, it looks great. It doesn't look great on camera. It looks really light skin on camera. I'm excited. Oh. Iced. Iced, hands down. I don't even need to taste the Starbucks one anymore. Starbucks who? Starbucks what? I mean, I'll drink it just because I'm supposed to. But, yeah, you can go away. Starbucks. Blend it at home. Blend it at home wins. It wins, but I paid for this one, so I'm gonna finish drinking it. But that's it for my video today. In case you're wondering about matcha, how to make it hot, iced, blended, and can you make it as good as Starbucks? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. And maybe you might be biased depending on if you like hot drinks or cold drinks. If iced drinks or blended drinks are your thing, you might like the hot ones, but that's just me. And that's it for today's DIY matcha. Comment below if you have any questions. Hit the bell for my next video because I'm trying to get on it. I know I say this all the time, but I'm going to do better. I'm going to do better. I'm going to post all the time. So comment below if you love matcha, want to try matcha, have any questions about the matcha. Other than that, until next time, peace, love, DIY, and balance. I'm done. I have a lot of energy now. Bye.